Hi, welcome back and thank you for watching our video series on how to select a New York lawyer. In this third and final part, we're going to talk about some of the questions that you may want to ask during the initial interview or meeting with the lawyer. And again, if you've watched the first two parts of this, we suggest that you do your homework before you ever get to that meeting. You're reading reviews, you're talking to people, and you're getting a general comfort level with the attorney that they can help you with the specific problem that you have. Now, assuming that's all happened and you're at a comfort level where you want to talk with the attorney and see if this relationship is meant to go to the next stage, you should think about certain questions that you want to ask during the course of that meeting. Some of the questions you may want to ask include, what kind of experience does the lawyer have with this particular type of case? How have these cases historically resolved in the lawyer's experience? Do they know anything about this particular defendant? Who is the insurance company that may be involved in this case if they are able to determine that? How long will the case likely take? Is this a case that may be settled early on, or is this a case that may require a trial? If it's a case that requires a trial, when would that take place? Where would it take place? And would you need to testify? Has the lawyer ever had a trial before? If so, have they had success? If you get a settlement, who is the beneficiary of the settlement? Is it you or is it a family member? And how would that typically look? How would that be structured? Will you have to testify? These are all kinds of questions that you will want to ask during that initial meeting. Who will be working on your case? Will a lawyer be working on it? What type of responsiveness can you expect if you ask the lawyer a question? Do they have a policy about when they talk to you, when they schedule meetings, when they have phone calls, how quickly they return emails? It's perfectly normal if they have a policy, but you want to ask these questions in advance so that you have some expectation of what this relationship is going to look like. Remember, working with an attorney is a two-way street. And from the client's perspective and the attorney's perspective, the personalities have to fit. Certain clients fit well within certain cultures. Some don't, and that's okay. But it's important to recognize these things early on. Again, as we said in the first video, if you're looking for a high volume firm, you can look up one of the firms that advertises on buses or television. There are a lot of lawyers, there are a lot of assistants. You may not deal with the same lawyer all the time, you may deal with a lawyer only occasionally, and if that's what you want, that's fine. Then there are smaller firms like ours, where if you hire the lawyer, that's pretty much who you're dealing with, because they have a small volume of cases, they don't take a lot of cases, and because of that, they're able to devote their time to the cases that they do accept. The choice is yours, and you can make that on your own. I'm not here to persuade you one way or the other, but we do think that these are things that you should think about, and that the decision should be conscious, and it should not just be something of a reaction to the first person that you speak with or the first person that you see. So we hope you found this video series helpful. If you have questions about selecting a lawyer, working with a lawyer in New York, contact us today. You can fill out the contact form on this page, or you can give us a call at 518-308-8339. We're happy to help, and we're happy to talk through your situation. Thank you.